So today I will be attempting to make Nigerian fried rice. My sister-in-law actually gave me this recipe because the other day I tried the one she made, and oh my god, I was like, I've got to try it again. So to start with, I need to boil my chicken. So I think I'm gonna have to boil it for 20 minutes, but I'll need to chop it up. So I've got my whole chicken there, which is what she used, and that's exactly what I'm following her recipe. I've got one onion I've just peeled and chopped. I've got some chicken stock cubes. I've got curry powder, thyme and salt, and I've got my chopping board that I use for my onion. I'm going to be using it for my chicken as well, and I've got my pots there, big pots to parboil the chicken. So I will come back and let you guys know how I'm getting on. Okay, so I've got the chicken chopped up in a pot with a lot of water, because I need that water as the chicken stock to parboil the rice with. So I've got the onion, I've got 4 knorr cubes because they come like 2 in 1. So I've got 4 of that. I've got 1 teaspoon of curry powder, I've got 1 teaspoon of thyme, and I've got a pinch of salt in the chicken. And now I'm just gonna boil it for 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and see how it's looking. So I'm gonna check. It's 20 minutes now, so yeah, I'm going to check the chicken. Oh my god, if this was smell-o-vision, oh my god, it smells divine. It smells like, oh, it smells really good. I don't even know how to describe it. Boiled chicken in curry, thyme, and yeah, it just smells delicious. Stir the whole chicken so that it can marinate in this juice. And look, it's still a bit pinky. I'm a bit scared of cooking chicken naturally. I'm more of a pork girl, so I am just going to try and I am going to try and boil it for 10 more minutes, just to be on the safe side, just in case when I'm frying it, and because I'm just going to shallow fry, not deep fry. Oh my god, it smells really good, and the color as well is amazing. It's just pure amazing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna cover this back just a little bit. I don't like to cover it all full. I'm going to cover it back for like 10 more minutes, and we can then check the chicken again, and then sieve the chicken and separates the stock from the meat, and lets the chicken cool a little bit before frying it. And 1 kg of easy grain rice stock, because I've taken off the chicken from the pot, and then I've left just the stock there. So I'm going to use this stock to boil the rice. It's all washed a couple of times.
Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, yummy.